And we were in clouds, you know, to start the day, and luckily the clouds kind of broke off in the distance, and about a kilometer away from here with the drone, it's just an amazing scene. Like, that was out of this world. Some of the best light I've had in quite a while. So really nice introduction to landscapes in Japan. Good morning, it is about 5 a.m. just outside of Kyoto. We are, oh, no, I need your light. Thank you. But no motor, yeah, that's true. Good morning, it is just after 5 a.m. and we are outside of Kyoto going on a photography adventure mission into the forests. And I think we're gonna get some really nice landscapes, and it's definitely gonna be a good place to fly the drone. So let's hit the road. Freezing cold, but we made it to the top and we're living in a cloud life. It's the crew here with the car, and yeah, this is the top of a mountain about an hour outside of Kyoto. Looks like kind of a cool area. You can see I'll show you the map here in a sec, but can't see anything from where we are, so let's see if we're able to get a photo here.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my.
And this is the spot. Hopefully we can salvage from the cloudiness and try and get a photo. View looks pretty nice, so might be able to get something. So we found our spot. I'm joined by a couple of local photographers. This is Roman and Nick.
Hello. Hello guys.
Nice, awesome. And this is looking like the best composition, if you can see here behind me. Whoa, what is that? Did you see that? Yeah, that was a giant flying bug. So this is the spot, and I'm joined by a couple local photographers. This is Roman and Nick.
Hi. Hello, hi.
And this is the location. Check that out. I can imagine this with fall colors would be absolutely incredible. Like, it would be perfect.
I feel unbreakable.
First setup I've got is a 5-stop soft grad filter, and I've got a really nice composition here. So I'm just gonna sort of sit on this and see if the clouds kind of change and move around a little bit, possibly film a time lapse as well, but it just looks absolutely fantastic. I wish it was 1 month later, because I bet the color here in the fall is just on fire. It'd be like incredible fall colors. So if you're in Kyoto in the fall, be sure to drive about an hour outside to one of the mountain peaks, because I bet all this is gonna just light up in like late October. The drone has just salvaged this entire sunrise shoot. From where we are, we got an amazing vantage point, like across all these mountains, and we were in clouds, you know, to start the day, and luckily the clouds kind of broke off in the distance, and about a kilometer away from here with the drone, it's just an amazing scene. Like, that was out of this world. Some of the best light I've had in quite a while. So really nice introduction to landscapes in Japan. And this whole video idea was like a photography adventure with Roman and Nick, and trying to get out of Kyoto and see something a little bit different. And I thought it was going to be a bust up until that drone flight that absolutely salvaged this whole shoot. So I hope you enjoyed that footage. And now the most important part of the day, as you know from watching the channel, gotta have the coffee. And it is so nice to have a little bit of coffee with views like this. And Roman just in the background doing his thing.
I'm flying drone.
Go time. We are packing up and hitting the road again. That was a really good morning shoot, funny enough. Like, getting started, it looked like it was going to be rough when we got up here. We were living in a cloud, but it really parted and we got some really nice shots. So another example of always being ready with your gear and going out on location, because you never know what you're gonna get. And that drone stuff, especially that content, is so good for stock footage. I'll probably put that up on my black box account because I'm still selling that and making some money, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, beautiful, like, Japanese countryside forest drone footage there. Really nice. But it's time to hit the road once again. Let's go. We're back down from the mountain, back into the sunshine that has been away all day except for during that drone flight. So very nice to be in this valley. This looks like a beautiful part of the outskirts of Kyoto. The guys were telling me that they grow a lot of vegetables here, and I can see why. It looks like a perfect place for agriculture, but that's not the point of this video. The point is the adventures and landscape photography outside of Kyoto, Japan. So my tips for you, if you're looking to do something similar, are try and research and connect with a couple local photographers. Both Roman and Nick, who I was meeting up with today, are not Japanese, but they live here in Kyoto and been here for a number of years, and they know the area really well. So it was very cool to connect with them because they knew this mountain destination, which ended up being really good for the drone. And I even got a couple shots of that one composition that I'm really happy with. So I'd say yeah, successful sunrise shoot after some pretty crazy weather this morning, and what I thought was not going to happen. So very happy with that, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. It's been fun to explore a different side of Kyoto and share this Japanese landscape with you here on the channel. And the vlog in Japan continues. Again, I'm trying to like change up my style and format of doing things, and I hope you've seen that over the last couple videos. Tomorrow, Nelly and I are going to go on a new adventure to a very iconic location, and share that with you as well in next week's video, or the next upload, which happens every Sunday and Wednesday. So be sure to tune in for that video, and this is the end of this video. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I will see you on the next one from right here in Kyoto, Japan.